Everyone, just download this. So all these days, your code was not safe, right? So let us store in that. Okay. First thing is, even before that, how many of you have your GitHub account? Ping me in the chat or give me a thumbs up if you have a GitHub account. Everyone. Mahendra, Shelfi, Lokesh, do you have a GitHub account? You can speak up or you can give thumbs down if you don't have. Okay. Just let me quickly first doing. Just click on GitHub account. Everyone just make it fast. Give GitHub account creation. Just type something like that, or it will show you something like this. I'm pasting the link. Let us do it fast, guys. I have posted you the link. You can share your screen, Lokesh. You don't have, right? Open this link. Everyone just follow Lokesh. Share your screen, Lokesh. Okay, very good. Yeah. See, it's just simple account creation, guys. Nothing much. Or you can continue with Google. That would be more easy, right? Because your Google ID would be the your ID. Yes, very good. Okay. Mm. Give the username as. Hold on. Remember this username. It is very important. Give any username. I would request you to give your email ID itself. That is the easiest way. Okay. Uh, that name is not there. Someone has used already that. Okay, very good. Just copy it somewhere. Okay. Create an account. That's it. Mm. That's it, guys. So just you need to continue with Google and create an account. Very good. Hold on. Be a bit slow, man. Okay, cool. That's it. So you have successfully created your GitHub account. So others, I believe it's pretty simple. Just click on that and don't do anything here. We will do it. Okay, cool. Everyone done? I want thumbs up from everyone, guys. Okay. Is anyone who is not having the GitHub account? Mahendra, you have it? Mahendra, are you there? Uh, if you are speaking, you are on mute, Mahendra. You have an account? Very good. Now everyone download this GitHub for desktop from this website. Download that. Okay, Lokesh, you can share your screen. That way it will be easy because you are doing it for the first time, right? Okay, cool. I'll they. Okay, be bit slow. Just to follow my commands. Don't be bit faster because we need to be in sync with everyone. Yeah, click on download for Windows. Very good. So it's simple thing. It is a kind of connectivity between your laptop and the GitHub. So GitHub is a kind of cloud environment where you can store your code. For example, tomorrow you want to join the class, but you don't have your laptop with you. You have your friend's laptop. Okay. You can just sign up with your GitHub account. You can get the total copy of your code. That's it. Okay. Cool. Because we are slowly writing good piece of code right now these days. Yeah. Open that. Yes. Mm. And log in with the same account what you've done. Zaveria, have you installed this GitHub for desktop for you? Very good, very good. So you are pushing your code daily, right? Okay, 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 cool. So from today, let us do one thing. Let us be cautious and show our code. Okay. Yeah. On your left hand side, there are two options. One is your sign into github.com, and the other one is sign into GitHub Enterprise. Enterprise is the one which will be kind of company owned GitHub repositories. Okay. But we are using the personal GitHub, right? So please kindly select the left one. Okay, sign into GitHub. Okay, yes. So now here what will happen is it will ask for the credentials. Just log in with your credentials. Okay, you can, yes, continue with Google. That should be fine. Yeah, authorize desktop. Yes, check that box and open link. Yeah. Okay, very good. So yes, click on finish. Hold on. So what you are doing is you have downloaded this application, right? GitHub for desktop. So you are telling that, hey, whatever code I am pushing, right? Please store that code into this GitHub account. Okay, and the email ID for the GitHub account and the username will be displayed to the user. Very good. Click on finish. Okay, what happened? Running because. Okay, click on close. Mm, sure. Now expand this one. So this is how your GitHub looks like. Okay, this is your GitHub looks like. Go to your Eclipse now. Hold on. Let us ask for others. So everyone, you are till here, right? Everyone, Mahendra or Imran. Okay, and how about Shelfie? Very good. Yeah. Now open your Eclipse. See, hold on. Even before you go there, right now, you should create a connectivity between your GitHub account and your laptop. So there are many folders in your laptop, right? Even GitHub will not know where you are storing your what is that code. Okay, so you should know where you are actually storing your code in your laptop. Okay, that you can get it from Eclipse. Go to Eclipse. So what I'm telling is, I want to tell GitHub that I am storing all my code here. Now click on the folder name Bluestone underscore. Yeah, first one. Yes, click on that. Right click, scroll down, properties. There is an option called properties, the very last one. In some of the laptops, it will not show you, just there will be a chevron pointing it downwards. Click on that, it will show you the properties. Yeah, click on the properties. Very good. Now if you could see the third option, location. No, not there, right hand side. This is the place where Lokesh is storing all of his code. So it is under C drive, users, Lokesh, Eclipse folder, new space, and there is a folder with the name called Bluestone. So this is the location where all the code written by Lokesh is getting stored into. So now you need to tell your GitHub account, hey, whenever we are writing something in these folders, right, please directly copy that to your GitHub account. Okay, copy that location starting from C. Mm, okay. Yes, click on, yeah, okay, you can go to your GitHub account now. Okay. Now, here what you are doing is adding an existing repository from your local drive. Yes or no? So there is an existing repository in your local laptop. So you want to add that repository to your GitHub account. Yes or no? So what I'm telling is there is already a repository in your local account. So you're not, you need to tell that, hey, from this repository, create a copy. Okay. Yeah, click on that. Mm, yes. Now click on choose path. Now copy that path in that location. No. Top, not there. There is Control V. Click on that. Enter. Hold on. Now this is inside the repository. Okay, you need to give the repository folder. Click on new space. Up. No, new space. There is something. Yes. Okay, now in this, what is, so this is a space where you are writing your code. So there is something called Bluestone test, there is something called Rahul's class, there is something called demo. So select the Bluestone test, the second option, select folder. That's it. Okay, make sure that you are giving the exact location. So whatever we copied is the same thing, but I'm telling you how it is getting. Okay, click on add repository. So it will throw an error. So this is not a GitHub repository. Do you want me to create a exact copy of this in your GitHub account? Click on yes, create a repository. There is a link with the name called create a repository. Very good. Let it be the same name. So don't change anything. So it is telling that in your local path, this is the local path where it is present. And I am also creating the same folder name in your GitHub account. Click on create repository. Superb. Hold on. Okay. Now, so it is telling that okay, you need to configure it. Unable to auto detect email address. Okay, click on close. Go to file, first option, file, options, I believe. Yes, options. Mm. Uh, okay, click on integrations, second option. Uh, shell command prompt. Git, select Git. Mm. Okay, this is done right. From the email account, select drop down list, select that email on your right hand side. Mm. Select the second option once. Save. Let me check this. Could not lock config file. Okay, click on close once. Okay, you'll not be able to push your code. Give any comments on your left hand side. There is something called summary required, right? Left hand, scroll down. Last, yes, add some comments out there. Now try to you write my first commit or whatever it is. Mm. Click on to commit 106 files to main. Uh, okay, okay. So copy this error and paste it in what is that? What is that? GitHub account. Sorry, Chat GPT. You should be able to resolve it on your own. Okay. Okay. Chalo. Others who is facing the problem, please share your screen. Shelfie, you want help? Okay. Okay. Share. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Share your screen once. So what is happening is in Lokesh case, he is not able to configure his account. Okay. Let's get why these many man your repositories. Why these many repositories are popping up for you? Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, yeah. Super, not an issue. You have copied the account, right? Add an existing repository, the last option. Uh, give the path. I told you to copy the path, right? Go to Eclipse. Mm. Right click on automation learning, properties, last option. Copy this location. Location on your right hand side, there is location, right? Yes, copy that. Mm. Mm. Paste that. Add repository. Create a repository. A link with the name called create a repository is there. Yes, click on that. Click on that. Yes. Yeah. Hold on. Yeah, publish repository. Yes, publish repository. Okay. Now, whenever you are writing any code, right, come here and write the code. Superb. Now go to your Eclipse. Now just close this and add one line at any piece of code. Okay. Cancel it. Cancel this. Yeah, cancel this. At line number 9 on your screen, line number 9, add something called today's date. No, no, give comments. It will throw you an error. Give comments. Mm. But just write abstraction. So whenever you are writing a new code, right, it will automatically detect. See, you have written line number 9 today, yes or no? And just try to remove something at line number 23. Just to remove method, remove the keyword called method. Line number 23, delete that. Okay, now what you have done is you have added a new line of code at line number 9 and you have deleted one method, one piece of word in line number 23. This is in your local laptop. So, but not in your GitHub account. Go to your GitHub account. See, it is detecting two changes. So it is telling that the ones in the green, it is telling that you have added line number 9 and 10. On your left hand side, on your left hand side, scroll down, thoda niche आओ, select that second options, target classes. Okay, select the first one. No, no, उसके ऊपर वाला जो था ना वो. So it is telling that you have added this. So there should be some filters for you to show uh, what was deleted to. Now go to the summary, left hand side, scroll down, left hand side. Yeah. Today what you have done, you have written the code for abstraction, right? Just type abstraction. Whatever you are doing, just commit that. Now in the description, I have completed. No, don't write like that. See, just the meaningful. I mean, don't write all this English. Just write pushing the code for abstract class. That's it. Pushing the code for abstract class. Okay, just namings. Okay, just abstract. Class spelling space CLASS. Okay, now you're telling that I have written some code for abstract class. I'm committing it. Yeah, commit it. Yes, yes. Mm. Now push origin. Okay, so now your code is safely stored in your GitHub account. Okay, every time once you complete your class, right? Just what is the topic name? Don't do anything here. Don't do any changes now. Okay, all that whenever you are making changes, it will show here. Okay, that's it. How to check in the sense? Okay, go to your GitHub account. Go open your what is that? Eclipse, not Eclipse, man. Go to Google Chrome. Mm. Open your GitHub account. Mm. Okay. Just refresh it once. Hold on. Refresh it. Refresh the web page. So there is something called automation learning. See, this was not there previously. This is now coming up. So open that. Okay. See, there is something called SRC, right? Open SRC. Okay. Main Java. So all your code is present here. Okay. Now, if you want to copy this code or if you want to share this piece of code with your friends, you just copy this repository URL. Click on repositories on your left hand side, yes, click on that menu, three dot menu, yes. Repositories बोल के एक option है, okay. Yeah, repositories, yeah, click on that. Hmm. So if you want your code to be shared with your friends, right, just there is option called code here. Click on that, copy this link. Okay, now paste it in the chat. I'll tell you, paste it in the chat, in our Teams chat. Okay, so I am Shelfie now. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll try to get Shelfie's code. See how easy it is. Yes, please. Yes, yes, yes. Hope you have made your this thing as private. I'm assuming that. Let me share my screen, guys. Are you able to see my screen? Anyone can confirm, please? Are you able to see my screen, guys? Okay, cool. So what I'm doing is file import. This is? Yeah. Okay, I'll for sure. Okay. So what I'm doing is first thing is file import. Okay, it is from GitHub, right? So there are many options from which you can import, but I'm choosing GitHub because I know the project is from GitHub. Okay, projects from Git, clone URL. Okay, I'm going back. So GitHub project from Git, clone URL, URI. Okay, so this is a URL which I got from Shelfie. If you could see, so there will be nothing like this. Just copy paste this URL. Okay, it is github.com SALNER, that is his account name, and what is the repository we are trying to get? Automation underscore learning. I'll just click on next. See, seems like he has kept this repository as private. So I don't know the username and password of Shelfie. Okay, once I click type in the username and password, I will be able to get the total code that is written by Shelfie. Okay, that is how you can get. Got it right? Shelfie, you are fine with that? Okay, that's it. And if you want, you can make your repository public. It will not even ask me for the what is that username and password. Good. So Zaveria, were you able to upload your code, or do you need any help? Okay, just give a try. Meanwhile, I'll help out this thing. So Shelfie, you can drop off. Lokesh, you stay back. Those who are having issues, please stay back. Yeah, Mahendra, share your screen.